The feeling is great. It's always good to celebrate a win after a couple of losses. So as we are here, we are missing our celebration for the win. But again, I'd say it's nice to have won today.
Thank you, Coach. And for France, you had 20 points today against Farm Fresh. Ano lang din siguro yung naging motivation mo coming into this match para makapag-perform ka for the team?
For me po kasi, gusto ko lang po talaga makapaglaro. Like, magbigay po ng effort para sa team na basta manalo po yung team. Ganun. Kaya, hindi ko pa na-expect na ganyan po yung score ko.
Thank you. The floor is open for questions.
For France, stat-wise, the team is already eliminated, but then you still power through, parang offer sa mental aspect, nakaka-affect din yung standings and scorings. Ano na lang yung ginawa mo in order to execute 20 points this game?
Ano po, parang hindi ko po inisip na, okay, eliminate na kami. Basta gusto ko lang po mapakita namin, ng team, kung ano po yung tinatraining namin araw-araw.
For Coach, since the team is already eliminated, other things that you're looking forward, are you looking for improvement? Looking forward for, I don't know, the improvement of the players?
Okay. Yes, we are not in contention, but what we are looking into is to finish strong, so that we leave a statement for the next upcoming games. I think that's the most important thing for us, so that we finish strong. And from when we come to the next conference, we pick it up from there. Yeah. Even though the team we played against is pretty strong, they play fast volleyball, but yes, we also had other plans for them. So yeah, that's it.
And last for France, going against a strong Farm Fresh team, may mga veterans sila, and also the recruits are also the same as parang malakas din yung gunners sila. And kayo din naman, veterans and young. Ano na parang naging key or stronger chemistry ba this time? Or mas maganda yung naging scouting nyo sa team?
Sa naging games po ngayon, masasabi ko na stronger chemistry po kami. Kasi nakita ko po kanina na masaya lang po kaming lahat naglalaro, na parang pag nag-error yung isa, okay, bawi lang. Parang sasaluhin ka namin, ganun. Kaya parang nakita ko yung unti-unti nang nagiging okay yung chemistry namin.
Friends, you're talking about chemistry. So parang pwede ka bang magkwento parang kung sa lang yung atmosphere sa dugout this conference, and parang paano tinutuloy ng team na mas maganda yung laro, paano pinagtatrabaho ba?
Noong mga past games po, yung atmosphere sa dugout, syempre, nung sunod-sunod nga pental, lagi po kami napagalitan kasi hindi po ganun yung tinatraining namin, pinapakita po namin sa laro. So parang, syempre, masama, hindi na po sa masama loob, parang mabigat lang po na bakit pag sa training, napapakita namin, pag sa game, hindi. Tapos, nitong game nga po na to, parang sinaga po talaga namin na kung anong in-effort namin sa training, ipapakita po namin sa laro.
For France, na-mention ni Coach na you guys want to finish strong in this conference. Personally, ikaw, ano lang yung magiging mindset mo heading into the final stretch ng galleries dito sa All Filipino?
Yun nga po, na hindi po namin hayang matapos yung conference na to na parang ipapakita po namin na ay wala na talaga, talo na talaga. Parang bibigay pa rin po namin yung best namin sa mga next games po namin.
Thank you, Coach.